How should you store a John boat? If you own a John boat and want to keep it in great shape, knowing how to store it properly is key. Let's talk about the best ways to store your John boat, especially if you enjoy camping and outdoor adventures. First, always start by cleaning and drying your boat before putting it away. This helps prevent mold, mildew, and corrosion. Make sure to remove any gear, fuel, and batteries to avoid leaks or damage. Inspect the boat for any wear and tear, and make necessary repairs before storage. One popular method is storing your John boat on a trailer. This is practical, especially if you have space at a campground or park. When using a trailer, park it on a level surface and use wheel chucks to keep it from moving. Cover the boat with a fitted, breathable cover. This protects it from the sun, rain, and debris while allowing moisture to escape. Plus, this method makes it easy to transport and access the boat when you want to go out on the water. Another option is dry rack or elevated storage, which is often available at marinas or campgrounds. This keeps your boat off the ground and away from water, reducing exposure to moisture and pests. Dry racks also provide some shelter from direct sunlight and rain, which helps prevent damage. This method is excellent for long-term storage and keeps your boat secure. If you have the space, indoor storage in a garage, shed, or barn is the best way to protect your John boat from the elements. Indoor storage prevents UV damage, reduces the risk of water intrusion, and limits exposure to animals. If you do not have indoor space at your campground, consider partnering with neighbors who might have a barn or shed available. For those who frequently use their John boat at a park or campground with water access, a boat lift is a great option. Boat lifts keep the boat dry and ready for use by raising it out of the water. This minimizes hull damage from prolonged exposure to water and aquatic pests. However, keep in mind that this method exposes the boat to weather, so it is better suited for short-term storage. If indoor or elevated storage is not an option, you can store your boat outdoors on a trailer or blocks. Use a high-quality, waterproof, and UV-resistant cover that is secured tightly. This prevents water pooling and wind damage. Position the boat so that water drains off easily, avoiding standing water inside or on the cover. Here are some additional tips. If possible, store the boat in a shaded area to reduce sun damage. Elevate the boat slightly off the ground to allow air circulation underneath and prevent moisture buildup. Regularly check the boat during storage for signs of damage, pests, or moisture. If you are storing it indoors, consider using moisture absorbers to control humidity. Proper storage of your John boat is essential for keeping it safe and functional for your outdoor adventures. It also helps maintain the environment by preventing leaks or debris from affecting local waterways. Choose a storage method that fits your needs, considering available facilities, how often you use the boat, and the local climate. Prioritizing protection from the weather and pests while allowing easy access for recreational use will keep your boating experience enjoyable.